Let's make Thai garlic prawns. From preparation, marinating, cooking, and plating. And this is how we do it. These are king prawns, fresh from the ocean. First, we just peel our prawns by removing the outer shell. And in this recipe, we don't remove the head and the tail. So you carefully remove the exoskeleton. And for the exoskeleton and this, we don't throw them, we just use them in the next recipe. I'll show you guys. After peeling, this is the results. Now it's time to remove the dirt from the prawns. So from this point, we have to get rid of its, we call it the dirt or the intestine. The intestine I just found on its back, just slightly cut through like that, and then you just see a string. You can see this here. Now this is what you get rid of. This is what we get rid of. Okay, that, can you see, it's so fresh. The same applies to the other ones. Just cut through. That's simple. By the use of your hand, you can just use that hand. Yeah, like that. Once you eat your prawns and you discover there's some sand, then it is not cleaned up nicely. Now, after getting rid of the intestine of the prawns, what you have to do is clean it up. Drop your prawns. Now you have got your cleaned prawns. Okay, our next point, we're going to marinate our prawns. Our marination, we are using lime. You can use lime or lemon. So just cut through. See how juicy. This is the lime. Allow the taste of the dill. I chop my dill, and I've got some crushed garlic. Dill over there. Then need a touch of some soy sauce. Let's squeeze some lime. We're keeping it simple because we want to get the flavors from the flavors of the prawns. The crushed garlic. You can even mince your garlic if you want it. Keep it simple. Already marinated our prawns. The reason why we have not taken the heads off, these heads produce a very good flavor. The heads contain some nice flavors around that. You see that juicy part here, these are good for making a seafood stock and other stuff. So now we are heating our pan up. Into the pan. It is hot. Be careful, place our prawns. You realize they start shrinking. That's what we want. Start turning them over. Yeah, look at that. Turn them over. Yeah, turn them over. Beautiful. Yeah, you can notice they're changing to orange. Just regulate your heat. And to left marinade, you can just move it around like that. Wow. From there, you just take them out, like that. Don't mind about the heads. Whenever you see the head flip out, never mind about it. I'll show you how we're going to do with that. I feel the garlic prawns. Now from that, set this aside. In the same pan, just add a little bit of oil. Just put your shallots or onions. Onions, fry them. Then put your garlic, the slices. I didn't chop them fine because just want them to extract the flavor slow by slowly. Just notice the flavors are coming out from that pan. Very nice, very nice. Tomato sauce. You let your heat to low level. Tomatoes. You can use white wine, you can use a seafood stock, or you can use water if you don't have that, alright? So we are deglazing the pan with white wine and you let it reduce, okay? So that's your white wine. Now it's optional. You can use chili flakes or fresh chilies, yeah, but seedless. Now take your prawns. Now take your prawns in from that point. Take your prawns in. For around 2 minutes. Prawns take a really short time to cook. Now we just take our chives. Some chives. You can use chives, you can use parsley, you can use dhania. And with the chives. Your prawns are done. You see. Red bell pepper, some cucumber peels, and some cucumber slices. So, what we the sweet sensation. Then squeeze our lemon juice. Ooh la la! I love it. I love it. Yeah. Be careful at the bottom. Wow, now that is your Thai garlic prawns. Very, very nice. Very delicious. Imagine having this as your starter pack. Trust me, can't wait for the main course. If you love this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share, guys. See you in the next video. For good food, good mood.